Today we will talk about 2nd October. Why do we celebrate 2nd October in India and around the globe? 2nd October is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who always has the principle of non-violence, peace, harmony and cleanliness. On 15th June 2007, United Nations General Assembly voted to establish 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence to inspire the globe and whole 7 billion people to follow the non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat, India. So in India, we celebrated as a Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Every public institution and government institution celebrate the 2nd October as a national holiday. Let's talk about his life and why do we inspire to follow his path of non-violence. So India was under the rule of British Kingdom before 1947 as we get independent on 15th August 1947. Let's talk about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. When Mahatma Gandhi was in South Africa, Mahatma term is applied in 1947 for non-violent civil rights assistance for South African farmers and civilians. That's why we always call him Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in, as I said, 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat, India. So his childhood spent in Porbandar and when he became adult he studied, he became advocate and lawyer by profession. So when he went to South Africa, he also fought against British rule for South African farmers and civilians on the principle of non-violence. So that's why when he fought against British rule for South African farmers, he also fought for color discrimination in South Africa, black and white, physical appearance of the people. That's why South African people called him Mahatma. Mahatma means saint. So that's why we all over the world we know Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. When he came back to India in 1915, so he again fought against British rule. Why the Champaran is the auspicious place in India? Because Champaran is the place where Mahatma Gandhi has started his first freedom movement of India through the Indigo movement. Indigo British ruled the India. There is the land, fertilized land for produce the indigo and export to British England. The production of indigo, land become useless, so you can't produce any grains or paddy, wheat. So that's why when Mahatma Gandhi visited to Champaran and saw this very cruel reality of British rule, so he started his first freedom movement of India in through the Champaran. So that's why Champaran is a very auspicious place in India and in the history of India. After Indigo movement, he started many freedom movement like Dandi March. Quit India, non-civil movement. The World War II, Mahatma Gandhi has started Quit India movement, which forced to British rule quit India and leave the India. So that's why we get freedom on 15th. That's why we get freedom independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. As Mahatma Gandhi has always followed the principle of non-violence, peace and harmony. So his all the movement was based on the non-violence. Getting independent of India, 30 January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Mahatma Gandhi was cremated on Rajghat, New Delhi. So Rajghat is the memorial places of Mahatma Gandhi. And the leaders from all over the world come to India. They visit the Rajghat to get inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi. That's why we celebrate 2nd October as International Day of Non-Violence. To follow the principle of Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence, peace, harmony, and cleanliness, to inspire the world to follow his path. And we celebrate in India as Gandhi Jayanti.